In a world driven by innovation, tools have become more than just items to simplify tasks. They're ingenious solutions that inspire creativity, efficiency, and fun. From gadgets that redefine how we work to multi-purpose devices that pack functionality into compact designs, these tools showcase the latest advancements in technology and design. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who appreciates smart problem solving, these 15 cool tools are guaranteed to spark your interest. Let's dive in and explore the cutting-edge gear that's transforming everyday tasks into extraordinary experiences. Twintier RB401TE. The Max RB401TE Twintier stand-up rebar tying tool is a game-changer in construction efficiency and ergonomics. Its stand-up design reduces worker fatigue by eliminating the need for constant bending during slab work. The triggerless technology automates tying, achieving ties in just 0.5 seconds for seamless operation. Capable of delivering up to 4,600 ties per battery charge, it ensures uninterrupted productivity on-site. The wire pullback mechanism optimizes wire usage, reducing waste and costs. Versatile and innovative, this tool is compatible with a wide range of rebar sizes, making it indispensable for professionals seeking precision, speed, and cost efficiency in rebar tying tasks. ThoughBuild Posthole Digger. The ThoughBuild 48-inch carbon steel posthole digger is a durable and efficient tool for tackling projects like fence installations, deck supports, or planting. Its heavy-duty reinforced blades cut through tough soil with ease, while the pivot bolt design ensures smooth operation, minimizing effort and fatigue. The ergonomic molded grips offer excellent comfort and control even during extended use. Its longer handles make digging deeper holes more manageable, catering to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Available at Lowe's, this posthole digger has earned high praise for its robust construction, reliability, and user-friendly design, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Geevorks Nail Gun. The Geevorks manual steel nail fastening tool is a versatile device suitable for woodworking and cement wall applications. Its adjustable strength feature allows users to control the nailing force, accommodating various materials and ensuring precision. The tool's automatic slag discharge hole efficiently expels gunpowder, residue, and heat, enhancing safety and maintaining performance. Constructed with high hardness, thickened steel, it promises durability and longevity. Available at Walmart, this fastening tool has garnered positive feedback for its robust build and user-friendly design, making it a valuable addition to both professional and DIY toolkits. Geismar Narval. The Geismar Narval is a battery-powered rail drill designed for efficient and precise rail maintenance. Weighing approximately 35 pounds, it is easily transportable and suitable for both vignole and grooved rails. The Narval features a quick clamping device for secure attachment and 2-speed settings to accommodate various drilling requirements. Its emission-free operation and low vibration levels enhance user comfort, while the LED lighting improves visibility in low light conditions. The tool's long-lasting battery supports extended use, making it a reliable choice for professionals seeking mobility and performance in rail drilling tasks. ThoughBuild Gelfit. The ThoughBuild Gelfit. Thigh support stabilization. Knee pads are engineered for comfort and stability during extended kneeling. Their ergonomic gel and foam design conforms to the natural shape of the knee and upper shin, distributing pressure evenly for all-day comfort. The innovative thigh support system features wide EVA straps at the thigh and calf, preventing the pads from slipping and ensuring a secure fit without restricting circulation. Users have praised these knee pads for their durability and comfort, noting that they stay in place during movement and provide excellent cushioning. Tolsen Drywall Sander. The Tolsen Drywall. Sander is a versatile tool designed to streamline drywall finishing tasks. Equipped with a powerful motor, it offers variable speed settings to accommodate different sanding requirements. The integrated LED light enhances visibility in low light conditions, ensuring precise work. Its ergonomic design, featuring an extendable handle, provides comfort and reduces user fatigue during extended use. The sander's efficient dust extraction system minimizes airborne particles, promoting a cleaner work environment. Users have praised its performance and value for money, making it a popular choice among both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Vaughan Rage. The Vaughan Rage 15-inch demolition multi-utility bar is a versatile tool designed to streamline demolition and construction tasks. Its ergonomic design features a patented asymmetrical shape, providing maximum comfort and control during use. The tool combines the functions of a hammer, pry bar, and nail puller, allowing users to grab, bend, and tear out materials efficiently. The double injection handle enhances grip and reduces hand fatigue. Users have praised its durability and multifunctionality, noting that it replaces multiple tools, making work faster and easier. Tolsen Hand Riveter. The Tolsen Hand Riveter is a versatile tool designed for efficient riveting tasks. Its powder-coated aluminum alloy body ensures durability while keeping it lightweight for ease of use. The ergonomic handle, equipped with comfortable PVC grips, reduces user fatigue during extended use. This riveter supports a range of rivet sizes, making it suitable for various applications. Users have praised its robust construction and labor-saving design, noting that it simplifies riveting tasks and enhances productivity. Available at retailers like Amazon, the Tolsen Hand Riveter offers a reliable solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Bosch PFS 7000. The Bosch PFS 7000 is a high-performance paint spray system designed for large-scale indoor and outdoor projects. Equipped with a powerful 1400 watts motor, it delivers a paint application rate of 4 square meters per minute, ensuring efficient coverage. The system features Bosch's all-paint technology, allowing for undiluted spraying of wood and wall paints with consistent results. Its fine paint atomization ensures even drip-free application on all surfaces. The two 1000 milliliter paint containers reduce the need for frequent refilling, enhancing productivity. Users have praised its versatility and speed, making it a valuable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. King Kombo 2.0. The Little Giant King Kombo 2.0 is a versatile 3-in-1 ladder designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It seamlessly transitions between a step ladder, extension ladder, and leaning ladder, offering flexibility for various tasks. The ladder features a one-handed grip-and-go hinge operation, allowing for easy configuration changes. Its lightweight design enhances portability without compromising strength, and it boasts a high load capacity, accommodating demanding projects. Users have praised its stability, ease of use, and the convenience of having multiple ladder types in one tool. The King Kombo 2.0 is available in different sizes to suit specific needs. Eibenstock core drill. Eibenstock core drills are renowned for their robust construction and high performance in drilling applications. The Eibenstock DBE 201 model, for instance, features a powerful 18-amp motor capable of drilling holes up to 6 inches in diameter in materials like concrete, brick, and stone. Weighing approximately 34 pounds, it balances portability with strength. The drill stand's aluminum construction enhances durability while keeping the unit lightweight. Users appreciate the built-in water swivel for wet diamond drilling, the standard mechanical slip clutch, and motor overload protection, all contributing to efficient and safe operation. Hilti Nuron NRC6 22. The Hilti Nuron NRC6 22 cordless rebar cutter is engineered for efficient and precise rebar cutting. It features Cermet-tipped blades that minimize sparks, chipping, and heat buildup, enhancing safety and extending blade life. The tool delivers flush cuts up to 3.5 mm from surfaces, reducing the need for additional finishing work. Powered by Hilti's Nuron battery platform, it offers up to 122 cuts per charge on 20 mm rebar, ensuring sustained productivity. The fully enclosed blade guard and adjustable side handle enhance user safety and control. Users have praised its performance and efficiency on job sites. Jessem Pocket Mill Pro. The Jessem Pocket Mill Pro is a versatile, loose tenon joinery system designed to simplify mortise and tenon construction. Crafted from anodized aluminum and stainless steel, it ensures durability and precision. The system features a patent-pending step-down mechanism that automatically lowers the cutting depth by 0.050 inches with each pass, facilitating accurate mortise creation. Users have noted its ease of use, with one reviewer highlighting the straightforward setup and smooth cutting action. While some have compared it to higher-end systems like the Festool Domino, the Pocket Mill Pro offers a more affordable alternative without compromising quality. Vevor Pipe Blockage Detector Locator. The Vevor Pipe Blockage Detector Locator is a specialized tool designed to identify and locate blockages within various types of pipes, including PVC, plastic, and metal. It utilizes electromagnetic induction to detect obstructions, offering a detection range of up to 40 centimeters for non-metal pipes and 15 centimeters for metal pipes. The device features a 30-meter signal line, providing flexibility for extensive inspections. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in both wet and dry conditions. The system includes 8 spare waterproof probes, enhancing its durability and longevity. Users have noted its effectiveness in pinpointing blockages. though some have reported challenges with sensitivity adjustments. Klein Tools Coolapsible Dust Bowl. The Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl is an innovative accessory designed to maintain a clean workspace during hole saw operations. Constructed from flexible, translucent thermoplastic, it accommodates hole saws up to 6'3" 8" in diameter and arbors up to 1/2 inch. The dual material design offers necessary support when initiating cuts, while allowing flexibility as you progress through the material. A vacuum port with a friction fit connects easily to common vacuum hose sizes: 114 inches, 178 inches, and 212 inches, facilitating immediate cleanup. The smooth, sealed ball-bearing collar ensures low friction interaction with the hole saw arbor. Additionally, the dust bowl collapses for convenient storage and is translucent for easy alignment of the cutting tool.